All right, there you go. What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, we do have the 500 right there, and there may or may not be something going on it. It just depends on what happens in the next couple of days with that car. I'm not going to go into too much detail, but we will see in the next couple of days what happens with the car. If there's something that might take place, Cody knows a little bit about it, that might take place in the next couple of days that might change the channel shake the channel up pretty well. Today what we're going to do is we are going to put, and I'm not going to bore you with the install because the install is over on my channel on that car, and aside from the wiring, instead of the wiring going up on the hood, the PCM's up on the hood, the wiring is going in here because the PCM is in here. And instead of picking up on the clutch deactivation for the cruise control on the PCM, we're picking it up from the clutch pedal on the switch over there by the clutch pedal. Aside from that, that's pretty much everything else is pretty much the same, so we're not going to bore you with that. So we're going to get this install started, and then we're kind of going to give them the after effects of this install. So guys, let's get started. All right, try it. Higher. Higher. Okay. All right, go for it.
That seemed more violent than before.
There, or where you want it at? There?
I don't know. What do you think?
Man, it's up to you. Are you gonna launch it that high?
I can't launch it that high. But if I had the rear end, I'd launch it forward. Okay, let's do forward.
Okay.
Sounds good to me. What have we done?
All right, so now we want to test the wide open throttle shift. So what we're going to do now is you're going to start it up, and once it's running, you're going to press the foot to your pedal to the floor real fast, but real fast you're going to hit the clutch and make sure it kills the ignition.
Right, wide open.
Wide open, then clutch. Now wide open, then clutch.
That's what I did.
Did it? Yeah, it did it. Yeah.
Yeah,
All right, now two-step. All right, guys, I wanted to show you this car we've got on the showroom floor. It's a 19 GT350. It's Ford Performance Blue, and I'm really digging this car, guys. This car looks amazing. And what I like about it is the 19 GT350's got the same spoiler that what comes on the GT500 now. And this car does not have Recaros, but it does have heated and cooled seats. And for me, the Recaros are nice. I love the Recaros in my car, but heated and cooled seats, what do you think, Cody?
I'd rather have heated and cooled seats over Recaros. It's Tennessee.
That's the only thing I do miss about my 17
That was nice.
California Special is the heated and cooled seats. Now, Pam's car, the 19 GT, does have heated and cooled seats. But this has, when I looked at this car, it does not have Recaros, but it does have heated and cooled seats, and it's got the suede like my California Special did. So it's really nice. And of course, it does have the electronics package. So it's got the B&O sound system. It's a really nice car, guys. What do you guys think about it? I'm digging it. I'm really digging this car. So guys, I guess what I'm getting at to this whole thing, I'm not going to drag you guys along. So I guess what I'm getting at is that GT350 I just showed you, or keep this GT500. That's the dilemma I'm at right now.
It's a pickle.
It is.
It's a pickle.
Keep the GT500 or get the GT350. That's my dilemma right now, guys. So you guys leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. GT350, GT500. You know, yes, this car is more powerful, no doubt. But the only time I use this power is at the drag strip. That's it. On the street, I can't unleash this car. No, not unless I run around with slicks on it. You just can't unleash the car. It's crazy. The GT350, I can unleash it anywhere, have fun with it. Talking about going around curves, I can take
first gear for like 20 feet.
Yeah. Yeah, take it around, it goes around curves, take it to a track, have fun with it. You know, drag season's coming to an end. So, you know, a lot of options, guys. I've got a lot of options here. So, I'm gonna let you guys weigh in on this. I've got my thoughts about it. Cody's got his thoughts about it. And, I'm gonna let you guys weigh in on my decision here. So, GT500 or the 19 GT350. So keep this car, keep going with this car, or get rid of this car and get the GT350. And I would also be getting rid of the truck. Also, I'd be getting rid of the truck and the GT500 for the GT350.
Yeah.
So a lot of options, a lot of ideas me and Cody's been throwing back and forth with.
And let them know why you can't get the 500. Because then you know a lot of them will be like,
okay,
why can't you just get the 500?
Okay.
Why would you
so guys, if you haven't been on my live chat, we're gonna have a little discussion here. If you haven't been on my live chat, then you haven't heard the reason. I actually went to talk to the sales manager about buying the GT500. That was way up on my list. There is another buyer already in the loop for that car, so I'm kind of out of it on that car. I really can't buy that car unless that buyer was to back out, and then I could get the 500. And there's a lot of reasons why I thought about that, but anyway, I'm not gonna get into every one of them. But I'm looking at what I like, what I want, and so that wasn't an option. But the GT350 is an option, and there's a lot of stuff that I've been contemplating on, guys. So basically, I'm gonna let you guys weigh in on my decision here. So I'm just thinking the channel, my enjoyment, everything. Me and Cody's been talking about it. It's kind of like, it's not really, besides the drag strip, there's no really upside to the GT500 over the GT350. Yeah. The GT350 handles better. There's no doubt, question about that. The power, it's not there. But
they're both still fun to drive.
They're both still fun to drive, and I really don't have to drag race the GT350, if you get what I'm saying. But anyway, guys, there's a lot to this. It's weighing on me. So guys, if you could, leave a comment down below, talk to me about it, tell me what's on your guys' minds, and who knows, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I still haven't made up my mind. You know, it's crazy. I wish I wouldn't have thought about buying the 500, because then I wouldn't got to thinking about the GT350, and it wouldn't even, anyway, let's go take a ride in Cody's car. See, I do that at the track. I find myself doing that.
Yeah, because it's a mind.
It is. That's the reason I end up shifting already at the track.
Yeah, yeah. Because I'm one of those, like on this car, the clutch engages halfway through the stroke of the clutch pedal.
Yes.
And I'm one of those people where I like to ride the clutch going down the track, or at least ride the pedal until I can feel the clutch is ready to engage.
Yeah.
So whenever I'm ready to shift, I like to ride it and then bam, just pop it one good time and then shift. So now I got to completely change the way I kick ass.
Yeah.
God.
But it's nothing. You just gotta watch that RPM get up. You cannot touch the clutch until the RPM is where you want it to.
Yeah.
And then hit it. And it's like that.
Oh, I'm gonna be scaring women and children.
There's some daylight in here. It's 7:17 and it's starting to get dark early.
I don't like that.
I don't either, man. It's a sign of fall coming in. See, it's ah, that's beautiful. This is where a GT350 would come in handy.
Yes.
Right around these curves, this thing would just whoa. Better?
Yeah, I like that. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, that was rough because I was like I said, you gotta let the RPMs climb higher than when you're ready to shift, and I was like, okay.
Yeah, I agree, man. It's hard to explain, and unless you do have it, it's not really easy to explain.
Yeah, you just gotta experience it your own.
That's the reason I end up shifting early sometimes at the drag strip.
Yeah.
I mean, it's just.
But I love it.
Oh, dude.
I love it.
I love it too.
It's worth it.
You get to get on the two-step more than I feel comfortable getting on the two-step on my car. All right, guys, we're gonna let you hear that. It sounds amazing from up here, and I realize I haven't got you on any footage from up here, so let it rip. Holy crap, that's amazing. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Man, that is, God.
$200, man.
$200 and you get all that and all the fun.
It's worth it. It's $200, man.
The Waterman, I did mine on my car for the Waterman's auto shifts.
Yeah.
That's the main reason I did it on my car.
Yeah.
So.
I wanted to park hard for now, be a showroom, a parking lot crawler, with the two-step. But it does have a purpose. When I do solid axle it.
Yes, it does.
It'll be good. It'll be good.
That is true.
But
that
for
is
now,
very...
just scare women and children and,
All right, guys, I'm not sure how the lighting is right now. We're using his headlights. We're about to go in the house. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button. Don't forget, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Keep the GT500 and continue on, or get the 19 GT350 and play with that car for a while. I don't know. It's a hard decision. I love the GT500.
Man, I do too.
It's a hard decision.
It is.
It is. So guys, leave a comment down below. But if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.